Stop what you're doing for just a moment, because this be huge, mateys. India be about to sign the biggest defense deal in its history. We're talking about 114 Rafale fighter jets, made in India, worth over 2 lakh crore, or $24 billion. And trust me, this ain't just about buying planes. This be about rewriting India's air power, its defense industry, and its position on the global stage. Now ye might be wondering, wait a second, didn't India already buy Rafales? You're right, we did, 36 of them. And we've already seen how they terrified our adversaries during Operation Sindoor, when Rafales outclassed China's advanced PL-15 missiles using their cutting-edge Spectra electronic warfare system. But this time, it's different. This ain't just buying jets, it's building them here, with Indian companies like Tata stepping in. Over 60% of each jet will be Indian-made. That's massive. Think about it. Just a decade ago, we depended almost entirely on foreign imports for advanced jets. Now, the French are not only delivering the technology, but also setting up a maintenance, repair, and overhaul hub in Hyderabad for the Rafales N-88 engines. Imagine the jobs this will create. Imagine the transfer of knowledge, the skills, the tech staying right here on our soil. It's not just planes, it's an ecosystem. And let's be honest, our Air Force needs this. We're stretched thin. With China's growing presence in the Indo-Pacific and Pakistan's constant posturing, India can't afford to fall behind. This deal pushes our Rafale fleet strength to 176 aircraft, alongside Su-30 MKIs and upcoming indigenous projects like the LCA Mark 1A and the 5th-gen fighter planned for 2035. Here's where it gets exciting and a little bit dramatic. These new Rafales won't just be copies of the old ones. Nope. They're expected to carry longer-range air-to-ground missiles than the already fearsome Scalp, which we used with precision against terrorist targets inside Pakistan. If Scalp was deadly, imagine what's coming next. And the price tag? Over 2 lakh crore. Let that sink in. This is officially the largest defense deal India has ever signed. Some critics may say it's too expensive, but ask yourself this. What's the cost of being unprepared in today's world? Can we really put a price on air dominance when threats are multiplying at our borders? An IAF pilot taking off in a jet that's not only world-class, but also made in India. It's more than pride, it's independence. It's the ability to say, we don't just buy technology, we create it, we own it. That's a game changer for defense diplomacy too. Other nations will know India isn't just a customer anymore, it's a player. And you know what? Even the French see this as long-term. Dassault isn't just cashing in. They're planning routes. A joint ecosystem with Indian aerospace firms means we're building capabilities that go beyond Rafales. Capabilities we'll need for decades. But here's the irony. While leaders trade barbs about oil and politics, the quiet engine of diplomacy and defense cooperation keeps moving forward. Trump may criticize India's Russian ties. Europe may raise eyebrows, but when it comes to defense, India is proven it can balance friends, manage rivals, and still walk away stronger. Yes, this deal will raise eyebrows in Beijing and Islamabad, and yes, it will strain our wallet. But what it buys us, security, leverage, pride, those are things money can't easily measure. So here's the big takeaway. This isn't just another defense purchase. It's a milestone. It's India stepping into a new era where Made in India isn't just a slogan, It's flying at supersonic speed, armed with missiles, and defending 1.4 billion people. The question now is simple. Can India turn this deal into a launchpad for true defense independence? Or will it remain just another mega contract on paper? What do ye think? Is this the right step forward? Or are we risking too much on one platform? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if ye found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and share this with anyone who cares about India's future in the skies. Because one thing's for sure, our Rafales aren't just jets anymore. They're a statement.